Hi, my name is Ansh Dubey, and I have created a snowman for the Christmas theme. I created this in AI Connect using the block code. Let me first show you how I created this. As you can see on the right over here is the snowman I created. And let me show you around. I set the speed to 2, so it's kind of slow. I can speed it up, but I like it at 2 because I like to see how it works. First, I take the pen up so it doesn't get any mess or anything on the screen. And I set it to a location, and that's at an x-axis of 0 and a y-axis of -120. So that takes you like about, I don't know, right here, I guess. Yeah, right here. So the x-axis puts it at the middle, right here. And then the -120, which is a y-axis, puts it low. So yeah, that's the first big circle, but let me show you how it's made. It repeats 40 times and turns left by 9, and you know it's going to be a circle because 40 times 9 gives you the product of 360. And the move forward by 7 just controls how big you want your circle. So if you put it at 7, it's that big. Don't mind the beeping. Okay, the middle circle is this piece of code right here. It's set at a location, of course, same x-axis because you want it to be right on top, but a different y-axis because you want it on top and not below or anywhere like that. And so we put it at -35, and of course repeat 40 times, turn left by 9, and instead of moving forward by 7, we're moving forward by 6. So we get a smaller circle. Then we have the top circle. It's of course going to be smaller, same x-axis but a different y-axis, and it moves forward by 5 instead of 6 because you want it to be smaller. Now let's move to the hat. This piece of code right here, creates this line right here. First we set it to the position of -40, 95, which takes you to about right here where my mouse is at. Then of course, you change the color to brown because that's the color of the hat. You move forward by 80, takes you over here. You go backwards by 60, takes you over here. And then turn left to set you up for the next piece of code. Now you gotta fill in the hat, or actually first create the top of the hat and then fill it in. So first, you move forward by 50. And since you already turned left, you would go here, then turn right by 90, turn forward by 40, go here, turn right by 90, turn forward by 50, turn right by 90, and turn forward by, it should say 40, turn forward by 40, and it'll take you back over here, and then it ends the fill. So then you gotta actually create the sticks or the hands or arms, yeah. Set the location to -370. It goes about right here. Then you want it to have a width of 5, so that's more thicker than the rest of the things. And turn right by 30 to get into that diagonal position. And then it moves forward to 70, which takes you right here. Then for the next stick, which is this piece of code, you want it to be on the opposite side, so instead of -37, it's +37. Takes you right here. Then same width of 5. Turn right by 150 because you don't want this diagonal position anymore. You want it to be straight so that you can get that gesture of saying hi. So it turns right by 150 and then moves forward by 70 again. So it has the same width and length. Now we want to create the mouth. As you can see, it has this crescent kind of shape, and how I created that was creating two dots. The first one was red, and then having a white dot right above it, so it gives you that crescent pattern while hiding the rest of the red dot. So let me just show you how that works. So that's the location to 265, and makes the dot red and gives it the dot radius of 22. So it's a dot, but it doesn't look like a dot. And let me show you why. Over here, you have another dot, which is white. You can't really see it, but it's like that. You set it right above, like not too far above, barely a little bit. So instead of a y-axis of 65, I put it to a y-axis of 67. And then the color is white, so it blends in with the rest of the snowman. And a dot radius of 22. That's why it has this crescent shape. Now for the two eyes, this is the first eye. You take it, the first eye, it's this left one. You take it to an x-axis of -15 and a y-axis of 73, right here. The color is blue and the dot radius is 5. It's much smaller than the mouth. And then for the next one, it's the same exact thing, except it's instead of -15, it's +15, so it can be on the other side. And then this code here isn't random. It takes the turtle slash like pen away from the screen so that you don't see it anymore. Let's put this in action. Let me scroll up, and I'll go along with the code. Okay, the first circle, big circle, this code. And the second circle, this code. Then the third circle. And then the hat line part, and the fill part. Then the first stick, second stick, then the red and white, and then I, and then I. And then as you can see, you saw that you saw the pen drift off. Well, that's where it went to. It went to the location of 200, 200. And so that is my snowman made on AI Connect. Thank you again for watching this video. And if I ever record anything again, then I'll hope you watch that. But yeah, I don't know what to say. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hold on. Wait a minute. Technical difficulties. Okay. See ya. Bye.